Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is going to be on this guy here. This is the Oria, O-R-I-A, electric screwdriver with bits. Roughly $20 on Amazon. I'll see about posting a price here of exactly how much it was before tax. I know everybody's got different taxes. So inside the shipping box, you get this box. Inside this box, you get another box. It's reminding me of some past birthdays. There we are. Okay, so it's nicely packaged inside. You've got the screwdriver. Now this is a pen style. Looks like it's already partially charged. So it's kind of cool. You've got the little padding for it. And then a product manual. Hopefully most people are familiar with how to use a screwdriver. Now a couple of the bits did come loose inside here during shipping and were attracted to the magnet. I'm not going to pull them all out, but it's got the little charging cable. It's probably about 6 or 8 inches long. And then it's got a magnetizer so that you can magnetize the bits so that they don't lose screws and things like that as easily. And like I said, a few of the bits came undone. Let's see here. Well, this is an interesting bit. Not familiar with this type. Never had to use this one here. It's kind of got like a U shape to it, but fits inside. And this is so that when I'm doing builds, because my hands are getting worse with the nerve damage, that I'll be able to use it inside of a build rather than on just the outside screws. The other one I still use for the case screws on the outside, but this will function for the inside. I do want to test, however, some of you may be familiar with my Hyper Tough toolkit that I've been using for about 6 to 8 months now. I want to just see real quick if the heads match, and it looks like they do. So I don't have to worry about extra bits for a bit. Get it? Sorry. So that right there will help cut down on the wear and tear of my hands on the insides. I do like that it has a light. I do wish that it had a separate button for the light so that you could leave it on while doing stuff. But overall, it's not bad. And for the $20-ish mark, $20 to $30 or even less, it's really not bad. And it's still fairly compact. It's longer, of course, than the screwdriver I've been using, but it's not really much thicker. I mean, it's about the same size, thickness, so it should fit in most of the same places that are tall enough. So, and then of course I'll keep this kit so that I can still use it when I need to for those spots that don't fit the others. And for under $30, you really can't go wrong with a pen screwdriver from a brand like this. So hopefully over the next couple of weeks I'll be able to test it out and hopefully get some good use out of it. I do hope that you all enjoyed the view of this screwdriver. Maybe it'll help you decide on what screwdriver to get when you're looking for one online. I got mine off of Amazon. Like I said, it was under $30, so it's not very expensive. And it's just a screwdriver for inside computer cases for me. But you know, you can use it on tablet repairs, phone repairs, things like that as well, I'm sure. So I hope you all enjoyed the view. If you found it informational or entertaining, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you have any questions about the screwdriver, make sure you ask them down in the comments section. And as always, if you haven't already, hit the hit the subscribe button so that you can keep up to date on our videos as we post them. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.